What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, subscribers, guys, welcome. I appreciate the following and the viewing. If you're not subscribed and you're unaware, I do these analysis on a few different stocks daily, or at least I try to as much as I can. If you have any stocks in the future that you want me to break down for you and kind of just show you where I believe it may go, just comment below. And like I said, if you're interested, please go ahead and click that subscribe button now. So let's go ahead and dig into Twitter. We've been watching Twitter for the last couple of weeks, but just doing these analysis videos kind of sporadically. As I personally thought that this was a firm bottom here, and we were going to kind of follow this 200 moving average. And once we busted this line, it could kind of stair step and slowly come back and cover this gap. As many of you know, most times gaps do fill, and I believe this gap will fill one day. However, the last 2 days have completely sucked for Twitter. Anybody long in Twitter is feeling the pain, and I'm not liking the direction it's going. That being said, you make money when there's blood in the streets, as they say, is to get in when everybody else is running. This would be an opportunity to get in if you want to live by that. However, if I'm you guys, I'm holding tight and not getting in Twitter for the time being. Just simply the last 2 days on high volume, that is 2 very red candles. It's just ugly. I know a lot in Stocktwits has been saying that next stop 30, next stop 26, next stop 28. I didn't believe them at these levels. Even yesterday, I thought it really would kind of hold here, and if it did break this, it would settle on that 200-day moving average. But it didn't check up at all. That thing just plummeted right through in high volume. So it's not a good look, and plus it has now broken the low here, so it's definitely headed lower. So where's the next stop? Looking here, of course 30. 30 is going to be a little bit of level of support. How big of a level of support? Tough to say. We definitely don't want this thing to do this same exact thing tomorrow. If you see 3 red candles here, that is a very bad sign. So I would think tomorrow is going to be more of a sideways day. I think it comes down here and it touches 30, and then probably moves up to 30, 50, and then it probably closes back down around 30. But hell, I could be wrong. Who knows? If you go back and look at older trend lines, let's see, and before this thing kind of took off back late last year, you've seen it was kind of more on this trajectory. It's more of a trajectory that you would think a stock's going to go. Continually kind of up and down through here. It kind of started being a little parabolic here, going straight up. That's caused this. Done exactly the same thing. It caused this. That's why I think there's a good chance this thing could come on down into the mid 20s to upper 20s here in the coming days. But other levels of support, I said the 30. You're looking around 28.81 or 28.50, and then a good level here is back where you had this gap up right here, and it touched and covered that gap here. This would be a good level here around 26. Between 26 and 27 might be a good level of entry, but guys, I'm going to avoid this one until I see some kind of confirmation. And what we thought the confirmation was here to at least go back up to the 40s. This is where technical analysis will burn you. You got to be on your toes, take profits if you get them. Don't try to be greedy, because some guys could have gotten in here, had profits, and now they're in the negative. So guys, just go ahead and follow along if you're interested in watching Twitter. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys. I'll continue to look. It may not be daily. I may do this again over the weekend just to see what tomorrow looks like. Looking at the weekly here, it's just an ugly setup there. So it's definitely looking like more reds in the future for Twitter. So stay tuned and subscribe. And if you want any questions or any comments, go ahead and comment below. And guys, I will check with you later.